Hey, I'm Wade the Shoe Dog, and welcome to the Shoemakers Academy. Hey, you're here because you want to learn something about shoes, right? Well, we can help you with that, but if you're here because you're a designer and you want to smash into the shoe business and make your place, well, hey, we can help you with that. If you're a DIY home builder and you hit a roadblock and you can't find the stuff you need to make shoes, we got that too. And if you're a brand builder and you want to create your own company, like, we're going to break down the barriers to help you get on with your dream and get that shoe company built and build it the right way without causing you too much heartache and headache and stress and without costing you a big pile of money, right? Okay, so how are we going to do that? Well, listen, I've been in the business for about 25 years. I started out as a footwear designer, became a developer, moved to the Far East, done just about everything when it comes to shoes. I mean, I moved on to be a development manager, advanced concept manager, product manager, business manager, manager. So there's not a lot about footwear that I don't know. And, I've had, again, ton of experience, met tons of people, been to lots of factories, worked on all kinds of footwear products. So I think I'm pretty uniquely qualified to help you with this stuff. So what we've done is we've created a bunch of books, right? So I'll just walk you over here to the books and just let you take a look. Maybe you've seen these before, maybe not, but we basically, over the course of the past few years, we've written a bunch of books. We start with Shoemakers. How to start your. First book talk about is how shoes are made. That's your basic starter, right? And then if you want to learn how to make patterns, we got a book for that. If you want to learn shoe materials, we got that. If you want to start your own shoe company, we got a book for that. And if you want to just put it all together, we have the Pro Pack, where you can get all these books either as a download or as the paper book. And it doesn't matter whether you live in Illinois or Ireland, we can get the books to you either by download, or these books are printed pretty much worldwide. So you'll see they're available. Next thing is we've taken these books and expanded them into courses. And this course, you know, we call it the $11 billion course. And you say, Wade, what's up with that? We call it that because a couple years ago, a friend of mine that worked for an $11 billion retail company that has hundreds of stores and hundreds of employees basically needed a program to get their footwear development staff up to the next level. So, Wade, can you help us? Absolutely. So we created this program. Now, they had 6 months and many, many hours and days to work on it, right? Hey, we've kind of taken that course, compacted, we've taken just the best parts of it that you're going to need to start your footwear journey, and we've created the Shoemakers Academy online course. Now, if you want to get the whole course, it's called the All Access Pass, and man, this is your this is burning the house down. This is everything you need, right? If you want to start your own shoe company, or you're a designer and you're inside a shoe company and you want to learn everything there is to know about shoes, then bam, the All Access Pass. Now, we've taken all that material and we've broken it down into smaller courses. So depending on if there's something in particular you want to specialize in, there's a course there. Hey, beginner, start here, right? If you want to just come up with your business plan startup, then here. If you really want to focus on creating specifications and picking the right materials, there's a course here. And again, this course material is based on the book. So again, this is the sort of we could call it the $11 billion course, or maybe it's the 30 years of experience course, but it's all here. Now, these same books that we use to create the course, these books actually have been translated from English to Spanish to Chinese and Vietnamese. Why is that important? Well, what that tells me is that shoemakers around the world are using these books, right? And you can too. And the other thing is, hey, are these books really pretty good? Are they? You tell me. And the answer is, yeah, we think so. And you know what? There's a major university that uses these books in their sporting goods marketing management program, right? That's a master's degree program. They use these same books, and you can download it today. Now, here's the other thing too, is like, hey, designers ask me, will this material help me get a job at a shoe company? And I say, yeah, of course. And the reason I know that is because there's a giant global shoe company that actually buys these books for new hires to train them. So when you show up at that company first day, they give you your name tag and your stapler, and they're going to give you a copy of how shoes are made. So that tells me that they think it's important, If it's going to work for them, then I know it's going to work for you. So again, please check out the website, check out the books, courses. Hey, before I forget, if you're a DIY, if you're a DIY guy or gal, and you're not so worried about like breaking into the business, you just want to make your own shoes, we got stuff for that too. So if you come over here to our books and tools section, you'll see our pattern making book is paired with materials, shoe lasts, paper pattern, and then we have an Air Jordan last, we have a sneaker last, we have, if you need just outsoles, we got outsoles. If you don't have four hands and you want to hold on to your project as you work on it, we have a lasting post. And we got some stuff that's a little bit hard to find. Well, it's easy now because you're here, right? Like the shoemaking parts kit. This is all the hidden stuff that's inside of a shoe that you can't just go get at Michael's or you can't get at a leather supply store. We have it here. So again, hey, welcome to the Shoemakers Academy, and I promise not to waste your time. You've signed up for the cheat sheet. If it's all right, we're going to send you a couple of emails, try to explain some more of this stuff to you, help you understand, help us understand what your goals are and how we can help you. And we're just excited because, hey, I've been in the footwear business for a long time. And the reason I've been in here for a long time is because I like it and enjoy it. And I've made I don't want to say exciting career out of it, but yeah, I've traveled the world, met tons of people, worked on lots of cool stuff. And, I think you can have that too. So again, thanks for coming to Shoemakers Academy. Check it out. I think we've got what you need. And hey, let's get on with it. Thanks.